To start your website, you will need a domain name. A domain name is an address where internet users can access your web page. There are 2 key steps to complete to make your page come to life. 2 key factors: domain, host. Let's pick a domain. These next 2 steps are to an extent very technical. This means that this will be a challenge for you. How should you name your domain? The domain will be the name of your page. For example, the webpage domain for Nike is Nike.com. Or for Walmart, it's Walmart.com. If you search online, buy a domain, you will find many different options and domain sellers. Don't worry about the cost. Remember, if you're qualified for our scholarships, we can cover those expenses. Google and GoDaddy are examples of some of the websites where you can go and buy a domain. You can go with whichever seller you like. The only difference will be in the cost and the service offered. Generally, the cost averages to about $12 per year. Once you have an idea of what you would like your domain name to be, you should search on Google to see if it's available for purchase. Go to domains.google.com. In the search engine field, you can enter your domain name, click on Get It, and if it's taken already, it will let you know. It will also give you other similar options to choose from. Remember, you should only use the ones that end in .com or .gov are form of government pages. .org are for non-profit organizations, and universities use .edu. If your domain name appears in a white circle, that means you will need to change your options. If you're making a portfolio, the name of your domain can be your actual name. For example, mine is www.kilobyte.com. If you will be making your own product brand, you will need search through Google Domains to see if it is available. Once you have revised the domain, make sure the spelling and grammar is correct and check that it is available on Google, then you can purchase it. Option 1. If you already received government assistance, we can let you know if you qualified for our scholarship. We will send you an email where we can reply with the name of your domain, and then we will cover the cost for it. So let your parents know to check the Gmail account that they use to register a profile with us. You have won a trophy for completing this challenge. We will see you at the next level.